Are you ready to make money on YouTube using Chat GPT? Follow these 6 surprising steps and you'll be on your way to monetizing your audience in no time. Just like how I made $8,000 in the last 30 days using these exact 6 steps. Step number 1, create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free resource that you offer to your audience in exchange for their email. This can be a free ebook, a free mini course, or any other valuable resource that your audience would be interested in. In ChatGPT, just tell it to write you an ebook about a certain topic, or to outline a course for you on your subject. You could even tell it things like, make this longer, or make this more interesting or more professional. So for example, I have my free YouTubepreneur playbook that I offer for those who are serious about taking their YouTube channel to the next level and making serious money with it. Click the link down below to get your free copy today. Step number 2, write website copy. So to get people to download your lead magnet, you'll need compelling copy that clearly explains what the lead magnet is and why it's valuable. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. Simply tell it what you're looking for and it will generate website copy for you within seconds. For the website, I highly recommend using Kajabi, which is an all-in-one platform to help entrepreneurs create and sell products and services. My affiliate link is down below and it comes with a free call with me so that I can help you make sure that Kajabi is a right fit for you. Step number 3, come up with relevant YouTube video ideas that will attract your right audience. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for YouTube videos that are guaranteed to get attention on the platform. So simply tell it to give you viral YouTube video ideas on a subject and it will generate a list of options for you to choose from. Step number 4, write your YouTube script. So once you have an idea for a video, you'll need to script it out, and you can use ChatGPT to write one for you within seconds. Just be sure to add in a sharp hook and a call to action telling viewers to download your free lead magnet. This will help you to convert more viewers into email subscribers. And that leads me into step number 5. Use ChatGPT to write engaging email campaigns that will monetize your audience. So email marketing is a powerful tool that allows you to build a relationship with your subscribers and promote your products and services. And again, Kajabi is a great platform for this. Ideas for emails include newsletters, promotions, and behind-the-scenes content. Step number 6, eventually lead them into a paid offer that your audience finds appealing, which again, ChatGPT can help you to write. So simply tell it what you're looking for. Maybe that's a course outline, coaching deliverables, or membership topics, and it will generate a range of options for you to choose from. Bonus tip number 7, use ChatGPT to respond to emails. So if you are too busy to respond to every email you receive, just use ChatGPT and you can copy and paste the email into the app and tell it how to respond. While AI tools can be incredibly useful for coming up with ideas and streamlining certain tasks, it's important to remember that they can only take you so far. So to truly experience success on YouTube and with your business, you need the support of a community and a guide who can help you to navigate the challenges that come with growing a channel and online business. That's why I created the YouTube Business Accelerator to provide creators like you with the guidance and support they need to achieve their goals on YouTube. Inside, you'll find step-by-step training videos for getting started and implementing these 6 steps that I shared today so that you too can experience these results while also serving your audience on a really high level. And the best part is you can start attending the bi-weekly meetings for free with a 14-day free trial. So if you are ready to take your journey to the next level, don't wait any longer. Sign up for a 14-day free trial of the YouTube Business Accelerator and start achieving your goals today.